check S5 port 5 sa Kabuntagon. Ang kilom-kilom manidri guys. Dari parte mao ni ang mega sardines. Mao ni ang mga barko. Gusto ko yung balod gabi basta-basta. Diri nga view guys, muni padulong Basilan, Ulo-Sulo, na ini party mo ng mga maasin para pueblo, para sa lungsod na siya guys. Diri po nga view amo ni mga gadak diri sa Airport Zamboanga, sapod sa sikat nga pantalan diri sa Mindanao. Dapit huli na ko ani indotron ng panahon kay ulan man sa gabi. Sulit tagsaka sa taas guys para makita yun ang view.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pack the bag, lock the door, leave the worries behind. Sunrise, painting gold on the horizon line. No fixed path, no strict plan, just the wind to guide. Every turn holds a story we haven't tried. Mountains rise, rivers flow, cities pass us by. New faces, new spaces, neath the same blue sky. One step forward, 1 mile more, it's where we wanna be. Chasing every moment, wild and free, yeah. Oh, the road goes on, wide and long, under skies of blue and golden dawn. With every mile a memory grows. This is the magic of the open road. Forward moving, heart full and light, traveling toward what feels just right. Oh, 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 oh. Traveling toward what feels just right. Rain on the window, stars out at night. Road signs pointing left, pointing right. Laugh at the detours, rest when we can. Collecting moments hand in hand. We don't need much, just a view and a song. The journey itself is where we belong. City streets to quiet countryside. Every place we visit becomes a part of our life.
Salamat, bless you all.